Australia once sent soldiers with machine guns to fight birds. In 1932, thousands of emus migrated into Western Australia's farming regions, destroying crops and damaging fences. Farmers asked the government for help, so the Australian military stepped in. Soldiers arrived armed with Lewis machine guns, expecting the operation to be over quickly. But the emus scattered into small groups, moved surprisingly fast across rough terrain, and were difficult to hit. Even gun jams slowed the effort. After 2 short campaigns, the military withdrew without achieving its original goal. The event became famous as the Great Emu War, and today it's often jokingly described as the war that the emus won. While that's an exaggeration, the campaign was widely seen as unsuccessful and remains one of history's strangest military stories.